Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 25th of October. And first of all, national news. Cyclone Dana to make landfall soon. Bengal and Odisha on alert. Congress announced first list of 45 candidates for Maharashtra election. Aadhaar card not a valid document for determining age. Supreme Court. India has 360 proposals for ropeway cable cars, Nitin Gadkari said. Justice Sanjeev Khanna appointed next Chief Justice of India oath on November 11. Too much immigration, Canada slashed immigrant intake amid public worry. And now some international news. Think he is sincere, Putin welcomed Trump's remark on ending Ukraine war. S. Jaishankar pushed for India's seat at UN body, replugs PM's no war message. And now some sports news. Hockey series. India beat Germany 5-3 but lost series in a shootout. Former Indian women's hockey skipper Rani Rampal announced retirement. And now business related news. Markets fell dragged by Hindustan Unilever, massive foreign fund outflows. We cannot risk another bout of inflation, RBI Governor Shakti Kantas. Hindustan Unilever Limited profit declined 3.86% in quarter 2 to pay rupees 29 dividend. IMF warned world to avoid global trade war. And that's all in news. Thank you.